Hello everyone, this is Kamini, trainer at VRAcademi. Welcome to my another tutorial for Photoshop. And today I'll be showing you crop tool for Photoshop. Now to crop any particular image, you need to go to the crop tool. For that, go to your tool menu towards the left hand side. Select the crop tool. The shortcut for crop is C. And there are two ways to crop. Either you can hold your shift key and directly drag it from top, or else you can press the alt key and try to capture it from all the four sides equally. If you are not convenient with that, you want to crop from only one side, you can just drag the crop tool from any side you wish. Once done, as per your convenience, it is ready to crop. You can go to your crop tool menu, go to crop toolbar. On the top, you get an option which shows you the tick sign. It's commit current crop operation. Either you can commit it or else you can press enter. Once done, you will get the desired result and your image is ready to use. I hope you like my video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.